Hi guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to put on Gel X dupe nails. So first you're going to buff out your natural nail to remove the shine, and then you're going to prep them with alcohol to remove all the oils. Then taking a nail primer, which isn't necessary but I did it anyway so that the gel adheres better to the nail, you're going to prep your nails. And then taking the nail glue, you're going to put a layer on your natural nail, but first be sure to align all of your nail tips. And you're going to put a layer on your natural nail, then a layer on the artificial nail, and then you're going to flash cure it. And flash cure basically just takes 5 to 10 seconds to kind of cure the nail so that it sticks on, and then later you're going to go in and cure the whole thing. But you're just going to put it on all your nails, and I do one hand at a time to make it easier for myself. It was my first time doing this, so I got a lot of gel glue outside of the cuticle area, but I just cleaned it with some alcohol and it was fine. Once you're finished putting all the nail tips on your nails, then you're going to cure them all for a minute and you're ready to go.